Hey, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we will have a comparison review of these two smartband in the market. Okay, what we have is the Kospet Tank X1, one of the most beautiful smartband. Okay, this 2023 when it comes to rugged looks, okay, outdoor style. And the other one is the popular Xiaomi Mi Band 8, of course, from Xiaomi. Okay, the most popular fitness tracker in the market. So we are going to compare these two wearables. Okay, the Tank X1 and the Mi Band 8. Okay, so we are going to check the design as well as the specs of these two smart bands. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start and check on the design first. Okay, and as you can see here, so this one, sporty smartwatch. Okay, so classic fitness tracker here. And we have the Tank X1, a futuristic smart band from Kospet with a military grade drop tested rating, Gorilla Glass and IP69K and 1080M certification. Okay, so let's check on the design of these wearables. Okay, let's put this aside, the box. And as you can see here, there's an obvious difference when it comes to the design. This one a lightweight wearable, okay, with a sporty look, and the other one, okay, it is a bit heavy due to its rugged style. So this is a rugged outdoor fitness tracker, but they almost have the same screen display here. Okay, quality. So this one, it is using an AMOLED screen, the same with the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Again, in terms of the size, it's almost the same. Okay, with the Mi Band 8 a bit bigger, okay, or shall we say longer when it comes to length. Okay, side by side. So the thickness, okay, it is much thicker for the X1. Okay, and there's a physical button here. Okay, while for the Mi Band 8 goes with the minimalist form or style, no physical button at all. Okay, both do have a touchscreen display and with a flexible silicone strap. Okay, the problem with the X1 here is when the strap is broken, it will be hard for you to find a third-party strap. Maybe you can purchase from the Kospet website. While for the Mi Band 8, it has a lot of third-party straps available for this wearable. Okay, so let's check on the weight here. Okay, let me show you the weight so you can decide whether you would like a much lighter fitness tracker or a heavy fitness tracker. Okay, as long as it has a good design. So we have here 50.8 grams and we have 25.51 grams, so almost half. Okay, more than half, I think, for the X1 when it comes to weight, double the weight. Okay, but if you love an outdoor style, okay, head turner design here, as you can see, sleek, okay, rugged outdoor style, I guess the X1 is for you. Okay, I guess this one hit will be a hit, especially for those teenagers, okay, who love a futuristic look, trendy looking fitness tracker. As you can see here on the Mi Band 8, seems like an ordinary fitness tracker, but we love the features available on the Mi Band 8. Okay, for the specs, okay, let me show it to you before we check on the menus. As you can see here, so longer dimension for the Xiaomi Mi Band 8, but for the weight, it's double for the X1. So the same material here with a metal material for the Kospet Tank X1. For the screen display, both do have an AMOLED screen display. Okay, so almost the same pixel resolution here. It's not that far. So PPG heart rate sensor. Okay, with ambient light sensor for the Mi Band 8. There's no ambient light sensor for the X1, but there's a blood pressure monitoring. So 5.1 Bluetooth for the connectivity. Okay, for the battery, much bigger for the Tank X1, but the battery life it's almost the same, less than the Mi Band 8. But for the rating here, so we have, I think I just made a mistake here. Okay, but it has a 15 US military standard STD810H rating. Okay, for the Tank X1 with 10 ATM waterproof rating. Okay, while for the Mi Band 8 it's just 5 ATM. Okay, so support app Kospet Fit. For the other one, Mi Fitness. Okay, so here, so let's check on the menus here or the UI. Okay, so here notification, quick settings for the Kospet Tank. On the bottom part is the notification. Okay, so here we have the menus. I like the notification area here for the Tank X1, and we have the quick settings as you can see. So it's not available here. Okay, for the Mi Band 8. Okay, it's available here on the side but not on the top or the bottom. On the bottom part is the menu. Okay, so we have it here, and it's just limited. While for the Tank X1, you have a lot of options, as you can see here. Tons of functionalities. On the other side, okay, so we have the menus. Okay, so big icons here for the Mi Band 8. Okay, the same workout. We also have a workout here. Activity monitoring. Okay, vitality, SpO2. Okay, we also have message notifications, but the Mi Band 8 has a support, I think, for the quick reply. Okay, Alipay, alarm. So the, as you can see here, the X1 do have a lot of options compared to the Mi Band 8. Okay, the only question here is the accuracy and the update support for the X1. Okay, but when it comes to accuracy for the Mi Band 8, well, we already tested it, and so far it is good. Okay, it is accurate, close to our estimate. Okay, with support for always on display. The Mi Band 8 also, I think it's all supports always on display. Okay, band display, as you can see here, auto lock. Let's change it. Change it to 1 minute. As you can see here, we also have a support for always on display. Always on display also for the Tank X1. Okay, let's check on the animation for the heart rate here. Heart rate. Where? Oh, I have to wear it properly. So it can detect. As you can see here, we have the animation. I think the X1 do have a much better UI. Okay. Yes, it also detects whether you are not wearing it properly. The same with the Mi Band 8. Go back. For the sports, let's see here. Workout for the Mi Band 8. Okay. So both do have a comprehensive list of sports functions, as you can see here. Okay. So if you love sports, you can certainly get or check or have a sports function that is suited for you here on both fitness tracker. Okay, with over 100 sports function available. Okay, we also have a sleep monitoring. The question for the X1 is the accuracy. You haven't tested it yet? We'll check it out. Okay, especially in health and sports for the step tracking. But when in terms of features here, the X1 do have a lot of functionalities. Okay, even in settings. So it's up to you whether you will consider the design of the Kospet Tank X1. Okay, as you can see here, you cannot ignore that it has a beautiful design here. Okay, if you're tired of the look of the Mi Band 8 and other fitness tracker with just a minimalist style, and you want a trendy looking, okay, sexy looking fitness tracker, I think the Kospet Tank X1 is one of the best looking fitness tracker or design in the market this 2023. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the comparison video review of the Kospet Tank X1 and our Xiaomi Smartband 8, also known as the Mi Band 8, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have that time.